Hello everyone. This talk about some 9 different types of porridge, and at the end of this session you will come to know about different types of porridge with preparation method and health benefits. Let's see, the first type of porridge is ragi porridge. We also call it as finger millet. To prepare, take 4 cups of water and add 2 spoons of ragi flour and reduce it into 2 cups. Ragi has a high level of calcium and potassium and also has a high level of fiber content and acids. It also helps to strengthen our bone and body because the natural fat content in ragi is in its unsaturated form. So it is a good choice for people trying to lose weight. Next is foxtail millet porridge. This is also the case of ragi. In addition to this, it helps to reduce the inflammation in our body. Now let's know about barley porridge. Get 85 grams of barley with 1400 milliliters of water. Mix the contents and heat it until the water reduces to 700 milliliters. Then filter it and drink it. It helps to cure the irritation of the throat and sore throat and also helps to reduce water craving. And another type of porridge is milk porridge. To prepare a delicious milk porridge, mix cow's milk and raw rice together and made into a porridge. Full fat milk makes a delicious but crazily rich breakfast, but even allowing for the time honored creamy moat of milk at the end, and helps to reduce the irritation which was due to increase in the heat of the body. Next is horse gram porridge. Rinse horse gram and let it dry for few minutes. Meanwhile, make ready a quarter kilogram of horse gram and 3/4 kilogram of jaggery, and get 2 cups of grated coconut and prepare half cup of rice flour. Mix all the ingredients and made into porridge. This is a perfect nutritious food for diabetic and obesity patients and also helps to increase the appetite and strengthens our body. Next, let's know about hot porridge. This type of porridge is taken from the boiled rice and it helps to soothe your sense and top up your energy levels and slowly bringing you back to normal, and also helps to reduce water craving. For making a rice porridge, take a quarter cup rice and half a teaspoon ghee and half a teaspoon cumin seeds. Rice is cooked with a much higher ratio of water to grain and simmer until mush, making it both easy to digest and incredibly nourishing for the gastrointestinal tract. It helps to increasing in the weight and reduces the heat of the body. And another type of porridge which is commonly used to treat emaciation and protein malnutrition by Siddha physicians is Panjamutti porridge. Take a raw rice, dal, black gram, Bengal gram and green gram. Take 5 grams of all the ingredients and are fried in a low flame and made into a powder. This powder is poured in a pure white cloth and knotted. Take 500 ml of water in a vessel and knotted cloth is dipped into the vessel until the water turns into the porridge form. This is a healthy as well as protein enriched porridge mentioned in Siddha literature having therapeutic potentials. It is also loaded with healthy fiber and micronutrients and an excellent immune booster. So the regular usage of this porridge can increase the weight of an individual. Last one is twice distilled porridge. This type of porridge is distilled twice. This made by adding 700 milliliters of water to the already boiled rice of 35 grams and boiled at the second time. Then the filtration is mixed with 5 milliliters of lemon extract and small amount of sugar. This stands as a proof to the traditional system, and based on hydroscience, this porridge is prepared towards curing heat related illness and at the same time providing nutrients for well-being. All these are simple and exclusively to develop immunity and to gain a good weight, and also easy to prepare and taste delicious with longer lasting energy. To know more about Siddha system, watch out our videos, and thank you so much for watching.